3 viewers, Allison, Maria, and Nancy. Allison is a 2, Maria is a 12, and Nancy is a 22. So come on out, girls. You all look adorable.
Yes.
Do you all have Valentine dates, I hope?
No.
Oh, she's looking. We need one.
This is Allison. She is looking for love, ladies and gentlemen, for Valentine's Day. So if there's any eligible bachelors in the audience tonight. But so what we did is she has a more petite frame. So we wanted to elongate her legs. So we gave her a black legging with black shoes. And that kind of makes your legs look a little bit longer. And then this amazing red leather coat that she has on, just like a pop of color.
It is adorable. She looks like a little heart.
She does look like a little heart. The sleeves are nice, yeah.
Okay, now these two do have dates.
Yes.
So these are their date night looks. So I love whatever's going on here.
Yeah, this is Maria, and she's been married for 25 years.
Shut up!
So for Maria, she didn't, I mean, it's kind of a red. It's a little bit darker. She's going out at night. She has the cold shoulder look, and that's my favorite look right now. The cutout on the sleeves.
Just a little
very
bit.
in right now. Just a little bit. It's very sexy. Has a V-neck plunge line. A great pair of tight jeans to show off your legs. And you know what? Even if you have like a high neck, you can still wear a chunky necklace. And it kind of brings everything, makes it a little bit more fancy.
Is that attached to the shirt?
It's not. It's a
separate?
necklace.
Amazing. That is adorable, and I love your hair color.
Thank you so much.
What Nancy was interesting with this is that top is actually not a top. It's a dress. With
Shut the
high,
door.
Yeah, with a high-waisted
You
skirt.
put the skirt over it?
Yes, with a
2 for
high-waisted
1.
skirt over.
I
You get
love
2 for 1.
that.
So maybe you wear this in the daytime, and then you guys want to go out at night. You just take the high-waisted skirt off, and then you have a cute little mini on underneath.
Now, the girls that are staying home are Unique, she's a size 2, Sasha, and Veronica, 12 and 22. So come on out, ladies. You all look lovely.
Well, Unique, we wanted to give her sexy because she's va-va-voom. So Unique, this is your first time with your Valentine, your first Valentine's Day with your Valentine. So
that's adorable.
she wanted to wow him and show him what
she's gonna do that.
You are,
Sure
and
am.
this V-neck shows a little bit of décolletage. It's very sexy, the black, but it's still very feminine with the pink flowers.
It is feminine,
and then the
it's
heels,
not trying too hard.
And the heels are so
Adorable.
cute with it.
Okay, so Sasha's in the middle. Sasha, that's right up my alley, because
Mine
I
too.
love PJs.
Me
I
too.
love
Me
PJs.
too.
I'm a PJ-loving girl, but that's PJ, but it's also a little sassafras.
Yeah.
It's got a little short pants.
It does. It has short pants. She has like a little peep-toe shoe on, or it's comfortable. You know what I love about this is, for me, like, I don't really like showing my midsection.
Right.
And it's still, and it's still kind of comfortable. It's still sexy with the shorts. You're still showing off your legs. You know, and comfortable is sexy. You know, if you don't feel confident, you're not
exactly.
sexy.
If you don't feel confident, right, no matter what you're wearing, you're gonna look terrible.
Yeah.
So Veronica, va-voom-y.
Thank you.
I love that, and I love the kind of, oh, we got a little something going here, but the robe itself is so elegant.
Yeah, it really is.
I love the sleeve detail.
Yeah, the sleeve detail is really nice. And I love that it has like a little belt to kind of show off your
Cinching your waist,
Yeah,
yeah.
the cinching your waist. You know, when you're a curvier figure, always cinching and accentuating the waist makes you look good. And it also kind of accentuates the hip. So you have like this nice like pear shape that I really love.
And it's cooking safe, see, for your
I
honey
was
when
gonna
you're
say,
making your carbonara.
she didn't even cook in that.
Yes. And I love the color. How do you feel in it?
I love it. I love it.
The
It's
color's
just enough
beautiful. I like
coverage
the
and sexy.
Yeah, and I love the raspberry color.
Yeah, that color is
underneath,
beautiful.
really pretty. Let's bring them all back in, line them up. Very cute.